Hello friends, welcome back to the any video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys, how can we lock apps in our Tecno phone device. Friends, you want to lock your phone apps, so how can you lock guys these apps in your Tecno phone, and how can you use guys your Tecno phone app lock setting. Today friends we will talk about it. So then first of all guys we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, click on get this phone security setting. Then guys scroll it friends, you can see your app lock guys, tap here friends, draw your pattern. And as you can see guys, your app lock guys, which app guys you want to lock guys, you can lock from here. This right side guys, this lock option guys, you want to lock your Chrome app, like that app guys, your files. So friends, you can lock from here in your Tecno phone device. So guys, like that guy, we will lock guys our phone maps setting guys. Also tap here and the messages we will lock it. Hence YouTube also we will lock. So friends, come back friends, you can see that this all app has locked. So if you guys, if you own guys your YouTube, so you will have to do your pattern. So like that guys, we will draw our pattern and we can use our YouTube app. So like that guys, you can lock guys your apps in your Tecno phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.